Hi everyone, welcome to Imaging Study. Today we are going to see a case of Placenta Previa with morbidly adherent placenta, more precisely a Placenta Increta variety. A 23-year-old female patient came with amenorrhoea for 9 months. She had complained for several times pervaginal bleeding. She had history of previous cesarean section. Let's see what we have got on ultrasound. Here's the gestational age measurement and it shows 36 plus week sized single life intrauterine pregnancy. The presentation is cephalic. The weight is within normal limit for this age. It was a male fetus with a part of a scrotum on the left image, and during the ultrasound examination we have found that the placenta is anterior with the central part covering the internal os. You see, this is the cervical region, this is the internal os area, and the placenta completely covers the internal os, indicating it as a case of central placenta previa or complete placenta previa. But during the ultrasound scan, there was a confusion arising at this part. You see, some anechoic areas are seen here within the placenta. Let's see on real time. Here is the central placenta previa. The placenta completely covers the internal os of the cervix, but you see multiple enlarged tornado-shaped vessels are seen here. This is the area of previous cesarean section scar. So these tornado-shaped anechoic vessels are not an usual finding. And you also can see more echogenic area is seen at this part containing these tornado-shaped tortuous dilated vessels. If it's a venous lake, then on color Doppler you won't see any flow within these areas. So it took our attention to exclude the morbidly adherent placenta at that part. If you check the retroplacental surface, it is also not clearly understandable at this area. So we want to evaluate further with color Doppler. Here is the transverse section and you still can see the echogenic mass containing tornado-shaped dilated tortuous lacunar vessels, indicating possibility of morbidly adherent placenta. This is the urinary bladder, which is partially filled. In color Doppler, you can see the maternal surface shows prominent vascularity at the area of cesarean section scar. And you can see the dilated tortuous vessels are showing internal turbulent flow, indicating it as area of placental adhesion. There are 3 different types of morbidly adherent placenta like Placenta Increta, Increta and Percreta. To evaluate further, MR scan is a better choice. But as this is a superficial area, we also can evaluate this area with high frequency linear transducer or with a transvaginal probe, putting it over the lower abdomen. Here's the transverse section. You can see many tortuous dilated vessels at the area of cesarean section scar, indicating it as a site for morbidly adherent placenta. Here's the picture. You can see the echogenic mass-like area within the placenta with dilated tortuous vessels having turbulent flow, indicating it as a case of morbidly adherent placenta. Now we want to classify a little further. So we are doing the high frequency ultrasound and you can see the echogenic mass contains multiple cystic spaces within. But the extension of placental tissue towards myometrium or perimetrium or outside the perimetrium is not understandable from this image. We have put the color Doppler and you can see turbulent blood flow within these vascular channels. In normal patients, you will see a retroplacental hypoechoic zone, which is not seen here. Here's the picture. You can see the echogenic mass-like area with high-frequency ultrasound containing multiple tortuous tornado-shaped lacunar vessels, indicating it as a case of morbidly adherent placenta. Now to evaluate the layer involvement with ultrasound, we use the transvaginal transducer. With transvaginal probe, you can see this is the perimetrium and bladder wall interface, which is still intact, though a full-filled bladder may help evaluate further. And you see the myometrium is quite thinned. You can't separate it from this placental tissue. You can see this hypoechoic zone at this part is the myometrium, which is not seen at this area. And these are the dilated tortuous tornado-shaped vessels. No separate retroplacental hypoechoic zone or myometrium, indicating it as invasion of placental tissue within the myometrium, indicating it as a possible case of placenta increta. Now here's the picture. You can see partially filled urinary bladder. This is the bladder wall perimetrium interface, which is intact. This is the area of myometrium, a thin hypoechoic zone, which is not seen at this part. So absence of retroplacental hypoechoic zone and myometrium with an echogenic placental mass containing dilated tortuous lacunar vessels indicate it as a suspected case of placenta increta. You see on color Doppler, the tornado-shaped vessels are showing turbulent flow which extends up to the myometrium. So in summary, about 36 plus week sized single life intrauterine pregnancy is seen with cephalic presentation and adequate liquor. The placenta is anterior, which completely covers the cervical internal os, indicating it as a case of central placenta previa. An echogenic mass-like area with large irregular tornado-shaped lacunar vessels having turbulent flow on Doppler is seen in the placental surface near the previous caesarean section scar with loss of normal retroplacental hypoechoic clear zone and myometrium. The perimetrium and the bladder wall are intact, so this feature suggests it as a case of central placenta previa with morbidly adherent placenta, possibly of placenta increta variety. Now the take-home message. The terminologies like placenta increta, accreta or percreta are quite clinically similar and imaging cannot differentiate commonly. Therefore, newer terms used to describe spectrum include morbidly adherent placentation, placental adhesive disorders, or abnormally invasive placenta. In case of morbidly adherent placenta, don't forget to check the perimetrium as well as the bladder and rectal walls carefully for anterior and posterior placenta respectively with color Doppler to exclude invasion into those structures. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. See you on the next one. Have a nice day.